B.S.Abdur Rahman University, earlier known as B.S.Abdur Rahman Crescent Engineering College.
The first angle projection so the first angle projection, what is the setup? To write the setup first of all, because the setup you should have to obtain any view using the first angle projection. Okay, for a three-dimensional object, to obtain any view you have to follow this setup. You should not violate this setup. Okay, then your view will be wrong. So what is the setup for a first angle projection? That is, observer comes first, then object, then projection plane. Right. See here, suppose this is an object, okay, observer is looking at the object. So this is the face I am interested. So the observer is standing, the object is next I have, okay, and I am going to perform an orthographic projection on a vertical plane. Okay, the observer is looking at the object in this way. Okay, it is nothing but the front side of an object he is looking. Okay, he is seeing the image of the front face, and it is obtained of the image of the front face on the vertical plane. Okay, if any projection, if I obtain it on the vertical plane, if this image I am obtaining it on the vertical plane, okay, this is nothing but this face is seen here. This projection is nothing but my front view. You make a note, any projectional view obtained on a vertical plane is termed as front view. Okay, any projectional view obtained on a vertical plane is termed as a front view. Is it clear? Similarly, to obtain a top view, you see here, to obtain this top view, this face will be seen in the horizontal plane. Okay, the observer I have to keep it, okay, without violating this setup. Okay, to obtain another view, so I am going to obtain a top view. So without violating this setup, I am going to obtain a top view. So for this, the observer has to look at the object from the top. Okay, so the observer will be sitting there. It is the first one. Then the object is there. Then I have a horizontal plane in the bottom. Right. The setup is not violated, and I will be performing an orthographic projection from the top. The orthographic projection is performed, and this is obtained as a, see here, top view, you make a note, any projection obtained on a horizontal plane is termed as a top view. Any projection if you obtain on a horizontal plane, it will be a top view. It is termed as top view, right? So one thing, this object, if it has some dimension, see here, so this object is having a cross section as x and y and the height as z, right? What will be the dimension of the front view? Front view will have hold a dimension of x and z. Okay, the top view will hold the dimension of x and y. See the relation and see the link between these two views. Okay, these two views, front view and top view, it is in line, and the front view length and the top view length will have the same length. Okay, it is x length, and the top view and front view heights will vary. Right, now it is, I am performing an orthographic projection here, there is nothing but a first angle projection here in a 3-dimensional setup. Okay, what I am going to do, I am going to draw this in a 2-dimensional view. So the whole orthographic projection is to draw a 2-dimensional view of any 3-dimensional object. Okay, so I am performing a first angle projection here. I have got front view and I have got a top view. So this front view and top view, I have to draw it in a 2-dimensional view. See here, I am going to draw this front and top view in a 2-dimensional manner. So if I say the intersection of this front view and the horizontal plane and vertical plane, the intersection is nothing but the reference line. The intersection of horizontal and vertical plane, I can name it as a reference line. Okay, I can notate it as x and y. Right. So if I tilt this same setup, okay, towards you, so what you can see above, you can see a reference line, and above that you can see a vertical plane. So I will have a reference line. Right. I will be having a vertical plane. Will be seen like this. So this is vertical plane, right? Then on the vertical plane I have my front view. So the front view is this. So it will have a dimensions of x and z, right? This is my front view. Right. So the horizontal plane, while I am tilting this, the horizontal plane will be matching with the reference line, and it is like this. Okay. So it is a 3-dimensional setup. Okay, what is the third assumption? Go to the third assumption. Planes are rotatable. What I can do after performing these projections, and obtain the view in the vertical plane and horizontal plane, I can rotate the horizontal plane 90-degree clockwise. Okay, I can rotate the horizontal plane 90-degree clockwise. If I rotate the horizontal plane this 90-degree clockwise like this, I can open it and I can see it below the reference line. So I will open the horizontal plane, I can see it below the reference line. So this is my horizontal plane, and the horizontal plane which holds the top view. Okay, holds the top view. The top view is having the this is again is x and it is y dimensions, right? So the planes, the second assumption is used after performing the orthographic projection. I can rotate the plane, that too I will be rotating the horizontal plane always 90-degree clockwise. Okay, in this setup, horizontal, if I rotate it, I can get it in a planar, in a plane, so that the front view and top view I can see it like this. Okay, vertical plane is above the reference line, horizontal plane is below the reference line. So you can see the views here, both the views, front view and top view, are in line. Okay, that is important. The front view and top view is in line, and you can see the front view length and the top view length both are same, but the front view and top view heights are different. And you should remember, as per the first angle projection, the front view will be on the above the reference line and the top view will be below the reference line.